don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Hi guys! Oh my gosh, it's Echo. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, I'm Gwen. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. Also, give this video a huge thumbs up if you like it and comment anything down below. Sorry about the echo, but I really need to do this. So yeah, hi. I haven't been here in a while, but I'm vlogging today. I'll be spending the day with Tiso Sitira, and yeah, we're just going to grab brunch, whatever, and chill. So I just thought I should vlog that. And yeah, I'm got out of the bath. I'm about to do my makeup and everything, so I just thought I should quickly start the vlog so that we can get this day rolling. As usual, late. And it's funny how I was telling Tiso not to be late, but look at me. And I'm blaming it on the weather, honestly. It's very gloomy. It has been raining actually. So yeah, please do enjoy my vlog. Okay, so I've been doing my makeup. My skin is peeling. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that, but I think I'll just wash off this whole thing and just go with my natural face because and this is setting powder, by the way. Alright, so the makeup is off. My skin was peeling and it was reaction to everything, so I just decided not to. I haven't told Tiso, which is very funny, and I'm pretty sure she has her makeup did, but I think I'm just going to lightly fill in my brows and then put on some lashes just so that I'm not that simple. But as for face makeup and everything, we're not doing that today, thank you. So I'm just going to apply my lashes now. Alright, so I think I'm done. These will have to deal with this. And yeah, I got my hair done yesterday, sis. So yeah, I'm just going to put on gloss and then lightly hydrate my skin because and then put on my clothes and leave. I'm probably going to call my cab now so that by the time he gets here then I'm done. And we're not driving today because the level of bad consumption. Thank you.
When I tell you guys, I've been waiting for Tiso for over 20 minutes. 20 minutes! I'm waiting! Excuse me? But she said she's coming. I am in Myanmar right now. Yeah, this is an update. I didn't update you guys when I left the house. So yeah, and I was driving, but I was just bringing myself here. My cousin will come get the car from here. I just don't want to get a cab. It's raining and but yeah, I'll be forced to get a cab when I go home. So yeah, at the moment I'm still in the car. I'm waiting for Tiso. She said she'll be here in 5 minutes. I've been talking to her. I'm mad, sis. She's upsetting me and my homegirls. Alright, so yeah, then we're just going to go up to the Daily Grind and have it's a lunch date now. It's not brunch anymore. It's even late lunch because it's almost like past 2. So yes, that's what's happening. I look cute though. I don't have makeup on, but still I only have like lashes. And then I filled in my brows, but I don't know. I don't think they look cute, but whatever. I just want to go in, have some good food, and just talk, but yeah, I think I'll properly talk to you guys when Tisa gets here. And oh, before that, I wanted to plug. Okay. I wanted to plug you guys with this bag over here. I got it from, I forgot the name, but I'll leave it somewhere here. On Instagram, it's an Instagram store. They're already available. When I tell you, I love this bag. When I say, child, I love this. It looks like the black one that I have. It's a shoulder bag. It's cute, nice and dainty. Love! I'm in love. I'm super in love. And it was really inexpensive. I think it was 120. It was 120, and I've seen like other Instagram stores selling it for 250 and stuff. So when I saw it, I was like, you know what? I need to get that. So yeah, should I do a quick life update as well? So yeah, where have I been? Honestly and genuinely, I really don't have an excuse. I've just been slacking, and I realized that if you get used to being inconsistent on YouTube, then that's the end of you, literally. So I haven't been posting for a while now, and like I've just been comfortable and everything, but hopefully things will get back to normal. And this December is quite busy, especially there by the nail business. Yo, child, this is actually the only time that I have that I'm free. I'm not even free like that. Oh, this is there. I'm not even free like that, but I didn't take any appointments today because I just felt like I wanted to go out and chill with my friend. And then yeah, I'm also like taking the weekend off because I've been every day I've been doing nails. I'm so tired of it. So yeah, I've just decided to take the day off today, and then tomorrow I'm probably going to have like 2 or 3 clients, and then I'm working with my friends. I don't know if I should end the vlog today or I should continue it over I think I'll just continue it over the weekend if I actually do go to my friend's place tomorrow. And yeah, just spend the weekend with me, with this princess. Okay, so yeah, that's what has been happening. And then there was school as well. It was a bit hectic, final year and stuff, but yeah, we got through that. I finished my semester, I think last week, no, 2 weeks back, I think on the 7th. It's probably like the 16th now or 17th. So yeah, my phone was actually reporting for battery low. So yeah, this was here already. I'm just going to quickly rush to her. It's raining. That's one other thing. And Tiso, you guys, I was telling Tiso to cancel because it's raining, and she's just like, sis, no, we're doing this. Imagine. But yeah, let me quickly leave so that I meet up with her, and then we can get this lunch situation started. We wanted to take good pictures as well, but it's listen, Botswana weather is the pits. Thank you. Okay, I'm leaving now. I've been saying I'm leaving, but yeah, let me leave. Let me get my cute bag, and then I'll probably show you guys my outfit once inside. I have some ripped jeans, you know, one shoulder top, and then I just have this leather jacket because it's cold, because rain, gloomy weather, whatever. But yeah, let me quickly leave, go meet up with her, and yes, I'll see. Oh, so pretty. I love you guys so much. Bye. Hi. Such a bad angle though. I know. Isn't this the YouTube non-copyright music calling over to vocal? Cling 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 bitches. So we're still in the daily grind.
The vibes for me.
We're in main deck now. What do you know? What do you know about restaurant hopping? Do you even understand? Do you get it? Genuinely, do you get it? We're in main deck, we're having food and yeah, more drinks and stuff. So sorry we haven't been updating you. If you know, you know. If you know. But yeah, we're just going to enjoy ourselves now. And yeah, we'll update you guys in a few.